Hello and welcome to Followers Panda. In this video we will learn how to cancel Twitch subscription. Do you want to stop your Twitch subscription easily? I'll show you how. Just follow these easy steps for desktop or mobile. First, on your desktop, navigate to the Twitch website and log in. Click your profile icon, then select subscriptions from the drop-down menu. Next, find the channel subscription you wish to cancel, click the cog icon next to the channel name. Then select Don't Renew Subscription. Confirm your decision, and voila! Your subscription is cancelled. After clicking Don't Renew Subscription, a window will appear stating that the subscription has been cancelled successfully. But what about mobile users? It's just as easy. Open the Twitch app on your mobile device and tap your profile icon. Navigate to Subscriptions, find the streamer's subscription you wish to cancel, and tap Cancel Subscription. Confirm your cancellation, and you're all set. Remember, your subscription remains active until the end of the current billing cycle. And for iOS users, subscriptions must be manually renewed every month. Encountering issues? Don't worry. Check your account details, payment methods, or contact Twitch customer support for assistance. So, whether you're on desktop or mobile, managing your Twitch subscriptions is a breeze. Take control of your support for your favorite streamers today. That's it from me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.